Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Artikia and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a makeup tutorial on this look. I have been getting this request for so long and finally I did it. Wanna say one more thing, this is my first makeup tutorial, so I was very nervous during shooting. If you guys wanna see this glitter makeup look, then please keep on watching and do subscribe my channel for getting more videos and hit the notification bell. First, I'm gonna start with my eye makeup. For my eyebrows, I'm using this Focallure brows powder. As my eyebrows are dark naturally, so I always draw it very brightly. Then I'm using this Maybelline Natural Concealer in the shade Light Pale with Jorjana 310 brush to clean up my outer eyebrows area to define my eyebrows even more. Then blending it with Jorjana 142 brush. Then I am applying the same concealer on my eyelids and blending it with my finger because it's perfectly blended with finger then brush. Now I will be using Jorjana pressed powder in the shade Natural 02 with Jorjana 112 brush to remove the stickiness of the eyelid. For eyeshadow I am using the Jacqueline Hill palette and I just love its pigmentation. I bought this from their wallet page and I will give the link on the description box below. Now I am using this brownish shade for my transition color. Always started from outer corner and dragging it into the inner corner and continue this way for blending the shade perfectly. Then I will take this dark brownish color for my crease. Now I am just putting this shade and blending this with my same blending brush. After that I am using this same shade again to define my crease even more darker. Don't take much color at a time, then it will not look good after blending. Now I am using this liquid eyeshadow named Stila in the shade Smoky Storm on my eyelid. And look how easily you can do a gorgeous eye makeup just simply using this glitter. Now I'm gonna using this Wet n Wild eyeliner and it gives us a black and shiny finishing. Then I am taking this shimmery shadow to highlight my brow bone and also my inner corner. For my lashes, I am using this red Cherry Eyelashes, and it has many different types of shape. You can choose any shape that matches with your lashes. Now I am using this Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara, and it's my favorite mascara. It gives much volume to your lashes. Now I am starting my face makeup. First I am going to use this MAC Strobe Cream as primer. It's not only a primer but also a moisturizer. Then I am using this Milani Conceal Perfect Foundation in the shade 03 Light Peach with this oval brush. Now I am using this beauty sponge for blending my foundation perfectly. It gives my face a luminous finish. Now to set my foundation, I am using this same Jorjana face powder. As Milani foundation gives full coverage, that means 2 in 1 foundation plus concealer, so I am not using any concealer. For contouring, I am using this Wet n Wild contour palette with Zoeva 109 brush. Now to clean up the contour, I am using this same palette and taking this banana powder. For lower lash line, I am using the same color with same brush. Now I am using this Rimmel in the shade Nude 005 in my waterline. Then using my same mascara onto my lower lashes. Now I am using this Golden Rose Terracotta blusher with Zoeva 106 brush. face, I am using this wet and wild highlighter in the shade Precious Pattern with Zoeva 121 brush. It really gives you a glowy look on the highlighting part on your face. Now I'm firstly drawing my lip line with Reverse 20. Then I'm using this MAC lipstick in the shade All Fired Up. You can choose your lipstick based on your dress color. To make everything long lasting, I'm using this Wet n Wild setting spray. Here is the complete look of my makeup. I hope you guys will like this makeup tutorial, and if you do, then please like, comment and share this video. It will really inspire me to do new makeup on my channel. If you want to see the tutorial of this hijab look, then check my previous videos. Also, all the details are given on the description box below. Thanks for watching this video. I will catch you very soon in my next video.